And me say, yeah, it all goes on and all on well. Let's just give thanks and praise and to see the Most High Jah Rastafari. Ever live it, ever faithful, God and protect every all the time. Jah Rastafari. And we sing say, by the river of Babylon, where we sat down, and we remember Zion, and we remember thee. Don't remember that carry us away from it, to carry us along the way. Let us stand by Judge's side and give glory and to praise. And let us sing and shout out his name, because you know he's the one. And we say glory, glorify unto him, oh yeah. Come let us all sing a song and praise. Come sing and sing. Come let us all sing along this song. Say by the river of Babylon, where we sat down, and we remember Zion, for we remember Berlin. And you remember carry us away from Upipi, we carry us along the way. Tell all the people that this is the way, to Zion come your way. And me say sing along and shout, because you know that it is all about. It's just Jah, it's just Jah, shout out. And we say guide and protection, and me say to each and every one. So let us give a shout out to each and every little one. And we say sing along, sing. Say come we sing a little song. Say come we sing a little song. Say come we sing a little song. Say by the river of Babylon, where we sat down, and we remember Zion. Only remember Zion. Falling in the blue sky, we are sorry for hip hip hip. You carry us along the way. It is a you carry it along, but Jah you know the street. Yeah, water eh?
Bring one of them from there.
I water there. I will ice one, give me ice one. Are you a killer? Two bits. Got you. Yeah, people. I'm gonna head up to the place now. Touch back in a Portland with people. I'm gonna touch back in a Portland, so let's follow up on the journey with people, see? And we reach up down Robin Avenue. Do you see the bus and I saw you walk off? You see the bus? You know, say, bus system, you know, my people, I'm telling you something. See, this bus system in Jamaica, it's not the people who are work, they are not that competent of workers. I'm telling you why I say that, my people. Is it for instance, you see that John come on there a while ago, go across the road. So you know, say, him go come across the road for go at the bus stop to take a bus. But you know, him can't get along that fast enough. You see me? If you go across the road fast enough. Bam, the bus come down and pass, man, and go say, oh, you know, say that old man, you can't see my move kind of slouchy. So probably him voice not even that strong too. You see me? And him, you know? And the bus fly past and gone left him. You see what I mean? You see, when you have a bus service, you must always look out for the people them and stop and pick them up. You understand me? It's not a thing where you do where you don't care about people. Bus service thing, once you care about the people them that traveling, that's your job. You see me? You come out and your work is to look out for the people them that is traveling and take them to them destination. Okay? Simple. You don't need to say to no care why you get to pay same way. You just drive, go and let the people them. No, we don't respect that. That's why people them kind of stick to this taxi work, because if them a walk or come out of them lane, the taxi man look down the lane and see them and toot him on and then make a move. The taxi man a go for them. The bus man no dep on them thing there. See me? The bus man dep on that. The taxi man a work to get him money, while the bus man does work because he might get paid. So that is two different. So you have to find, say, the work I go push out by the taxi man them. Yeah, the work I go push out by the taxi man them. Or the next bus man them, because the yellow bus them, they call them, you know, the Seaview bus them and the Waterhouse bus them. Them are wait for you till you walk come down the lane. Them no matter, them are wait for you. Understand me? Once them a pass and see you and say town, and you go and shake your head. Bus a stop you, no feel no way, bus don't wait for you. See what I mean? That's how them work. See? Because them have to work to pay themselves. If them work to pay themselves, they don't get no pay. But when you have work and you have a taxpayers' money, I pay you. You no matter, you just do your do. And whatsoever you make, because you still get your pay. Simple, just so it's set. So it go. And no bluff about that. You see me? Jaja know. The system should have more better still. Yeah? Yeah man, the system should have more better. Yeah man, we're doing a constant spring on our people. Jaja. Yeah man, I go up on the Stone Hill and our people, see? We don't know we drive as already here still. But and the more easiest drive for really take on right now. See me? Because if you don't take it to if we take it to a Portland people. My people, we take it to not Portland, we take it St. Thomas side. A longer journey with people. See? This is the shorter journey. If we go up, we try best to go to Portland with the people and you know, see the blog and watch the blog and like the blog. But the thing about it now with people is that say, this now with people, we start from around here so, the blog they start from, right around here so, right on a stone wall with people. Alright with people, see? Alright. Guarantee. So, I pass through Cassington Garden now. We're there in a Cassington right now. Or just past Cassington Garden. Yeah, we're there. I sent me over there, so. River water, river rain and fall, up a rain and fall, so the river dirty with people. Yeah man, it's Cassington where they say the river there I run now. River run everything, you know, it's dirty. You see it? Yeah man. We're gonna start Joe. enjoy the view, see me, you know, people. You have people. Board thing, you know. They don't really finish up yet still, but they don't go on. Something like them finish up. Like African rain. Yes, so boss. I can say African this. Huh? Rain. I move them in, yeah. Yeah, man. The boss man there, him the worker, you know. The man they sit down and spare them time and do them work, you see. And look good with people, trust me. Yeah, man. Alright. Oh, that's about your son name, boss? What's your son name again? Eh? Artil. Artil. Okay. We got an Artil out of son with people. Yeah? Yeah, we come from son. Yeah, man. The people. Yeah, man, all them board and you see workshop there. I say something to them people, you know, say every time I come on a place at Portland, like rainfall, yeah, I come over there, man, and rainfall with people, and sit down and come again to the Sunday, and rainfall with people, the blessing. So we know, say, whatever me I do with people, I can't give up, you know, see, yeah, man, because it's a blessing, man, as well. Father God show me, say, you hear me, to be successful. Pass through all the corners and streets before you can be elevated to the right and the right way you want to do it. I don't know that already, so I'm going to hold it and I do my work, because I don't know some work perfect. See, some people just go observe and see what I want and just go bless and I know that the blessing of God. Everywhere we go, I'm just blessing the people. See, that's the God know. I'm just blessing the people. I'm just blessing the people. Jaja. Yeah, my people, yeah, man, I just rain again, man. Rain again. See me? All the way coming, sunshine, and we reach a Portland. Rain again, my people. Yeah, man, Jaja know. Just like that, I just one of them things there, you know? Yeah, man. Right now, we reach a Buff Bay now. Rain again. I miss the rain is down. Everywhere I go, so me know Jaja blessing a flow. That's where the rain keep on flow. Rain again. Everywhere I go, so me know say Jaja blessing a flow. Cause rain keep on flow. So everywhere me go just a rain so. Jaja blessing just a fall from me so. Everywhere me go just a rain so. Jaja blessing just a keep on fall from me so. I me say people, me say clap and say ho. People me beg you, say clap and say ho. Cause you don't know, say me a Jaja ho. Jaja blessing me keep on a flow. Everywhere me go I just me so. Hey, Jaja blessing keep on a flow so. Whoa. Everywhere me go I just me so. God's a blessing keep on a flow, so. Flow, it a flow, and me dip on the go. Dip on the go, God's a blessing a flow. Flow with a flow, and me dip on the go. Flow with a go, and me dip on the go. Dip on the go, dip on the go. Dip on the go, God's a blessing a flow. Everywhere me go, I just a black and I go. Everywhere me go, I just a dressing. Around with this song. Turn off. Alright, Buff Bay Police Station. Okay. I say, I don't have Buff Bay with there. I ready all I eat there. I say Buff Bay, hear them say Buff Bay, a lot of mercy. Buff Bay, are they with there? Buff Bay, the girl them town. Buff Bay, are they with there? Buff Bay, how will them say? Buff Bay, girl them town. I don't have Buff Bay with there. Huh? I don't have Buff Bay me there. I don't have Buff Bay me there. Give me no star, give me no soap, give me no star, you mess around. Because I don't have Buff Bay I one place where them talk about every day me I go. Talk about Buff Bay for the thing where all them attacks I just know say me know. Show me that you say me very smartly. Know where them attack and me know where them I say. Buff Bay, girl them town. I don't have Buff Bay with there. Whoa! I don't have Buff Bay with there. When they have Buff Bay now, Buff Bay now ready, rain there fall. Drive me a drive and I go through really easy. Drive me a drive and I go through so nice. Drive me a drive and me really, hey, drive me a drive and me feel so. I me say Port Antonio and Boston Bay, 2943, you get all the way. Sorry my people, you see that people? Port Antonio 29 and Boston Bay 43. I'm there Buff Bay. So from Buff Bay to Boston Bay 43 miles. And 29 miles from Buff Bay to Port Antonio. And I look at that driving my people. Trust me. The people them driving and get serious. Yeah man. I can't tell a lie. I must bless him because I leave out early and say yeah, that's all. But you know me early, I just from reach a St. Mary, I come in, I start easy back and I say, wow, I'm in the airport and now, so easy, I don't have to worry myself. But as I see the rain set up still now, my people, I don't go around. I see the rain set up, you see? Yeah man. But as I say, wow, I reach a Portland and I come in, my people, Jaja know. And the rain that, I mean I tell you, say the rain has fall, the face of the rain has fall, my people. The rain a fall. You see me? Because the rain just that come off of the sea. And you see the sea just cut the way out to the ocean there. Yeah. And it at the sea I go way back, you know. The sea I go right back out to Cuba, you know. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man. So I go there to Portland here, so you go nearer to no Cuba. You're nearer to Haiti and Dominican Republic, one of them country there. See? Because up on Portland side that's out now the them call out as now. The Atlantic Sea. And so? Something like so. I don't remember quite. You see me? But the other so all of the storm develop from. So you find out so when storm come to Jamaica, most storm take it from that side there. See me? Portland side come in. It's in Portland, St. Thomas and coming. And for me I say people, yeah. So out of so are the whole of the half of the Ayaso it start from Portland. You see? Anyway, still the people. Don't know. We don't do 3 miles with the things you attack. Alright, we go on and see what go on, people. If I go slow, if really I go slow, I go really reach fast. That 29 miles, I don't want to joke thing. See? And next to the road wet. So you can't know say, if you just take the time same way, you can't overdo it. See? You go fast in our way, but you go slow in our farm. Like for instance, when you see straight, you do the road. When you see corner, you take your time and go around and easy. When you see long straight, you take it up, you got it up fast and quick. You understand me, some people? Yeah. See like something got a couple in my front wheel a while ago. Every time I come on this place, I rain, you know, people, rain. I tell you, rain. Yeah, man. Every time you come on, rain. I just rain, me say, I just rain, me say, I just rain. Yes, my people. Yeah, man. Yeah, 17 mile. Yeah, Port Antonio. You know, we go Shady Grove. Shady Grove. Shady Grove. Never again. Remember, something like that grove. Yeah, people, something like that grove. But anyway, and then we hide for the people, see? Yeah. We passed through again Portland, but boy, it rain. So it wasn't possible for buck up and really oat beer now with people, see? Yeah. It never possible for really buck up no more and they brag them on the road, so. I go through with the 16 mile now with people, see? Yeah, man. Remember these people at Portland with there, is it? Yeah, man. We say at Portland with there. And we are at the Port Antonio, yeah. You understand? We say we have a coconut with breadfruit and banana. One heap of ackee and we have yamsa. One thing we know, say we not hunger. One heap of food for in our belly. And Portland with it. What beer people, what beer? See? Alright. What beer we are going to show. Yeah? Now that me say, travel right across the coast. Whole heap of people them never really know. Toast with your toast and a coast with your coast. Pity them no know, say we know it the most. Lyrics so we flash them can't get the post. Go on back, go on back. Yeah, anchovy garden. Around people, you see it, anchovy garden. Community, you know? Develop, never develop. You see it, my people? Yeah. Oh, nice community. go again. People, I saw the community. I look on nice, the sneaky community. Yeah, nice community. You see me, people? Jaja know. When we turn up on the road, I see the gate. Turn up we turn. Up. I look for a virgin, you know. Rasta. Right. Yeah. Like you go up and turn something up there, so don't it? This what? You know Rasta, right? Right. Rasta man. I inspire if you go up and turn. Where's it? I'm not here, you know. Oh, you don't know him? Right? Rasta, right? We have the house up on the hill, up the right house. When you go up and say you have a road turn and go up down it. Alright then. Call the bomb buckler man, phone of the man and so on. Yes, my people. Watch a view here. Whoa, lovely, lovely, lovely people, lovely. What was the name again?
Anchovy Garden.
Anchovy Garden in Portland.
Come on, 240.
See me? Yeah, Anchovy Garden in Portland with them people, see me? And I tell you some people say, right now, we're in our apartment, we're a virgin apartment, and I tell you say, him say, Airbnb, straight up, see? And a nice house. But you're going now. Don't know him have to do and take him time because the money kind of run low. Then see? So whatsoever, I have more than one room, I have about 4 rooms to 5 rooms. See me? But at the present time I know, I have about 2 rooms available right now. Everything in it, you get your bed, the fan, your TV, have a little freezer. I have a big freezer in all the freezer things. One freezer there, so everybody can use the freezer then. Alright then, Zin. And we don't know everything there, water, light, Wi-Fi, everything there, I'm set my people. So Airbnb and it's part of there, it's all situated in a residential area in a Portland, Anchovy Garden. See, it named Anchovy Garden. See, when you head for Portland, Tony, have a branch off. Okay, the hotel name? Trident Hotel. So my people, just, so my people, I just better him introduce himself and can tell you one thing because a virgin control the place and everything. So I better introduce himself to the public.
Yeah man, I ride this in a Rasta ride. Control, Anchovy Garden, original. Everything available, all inclusive, no problem about that. So it was ready.
Kitchen ready and everything.
Yeah.
Stove, gas and everything.
Everything ready, washing machine ready.
Washing machine there, dryer and everything?
Everything same way.
Everything same way, okay. So my people just say that Airbnb I deal with. You see me? As I said earlier, I have more room, but
unfinished.
I'm just I just do the process and whatsoever I just continue fix up and finish up everything. Understand me? So come to Jamaica still know my people and Portland side I know say boy you want to stay for a week. It there. You see? For even a month it there. For even 2 days it there. You see what I did? Trust me people. So go talk with them here, sir.
Yeah man, you can't get everything man. Right? You can't spend a month, 2 weeks, 2 months, up for you. As long as you want to stay, you understand me? Everything all inclusive. Just come, ask to ride, Rasta ride, otherwise Elias Raggy, you're good. Right? Contact number 784 82 29. Straight up. Yeah man, I like that.
Yeah man. 233 6408. See? 233 6408. And the next one?
My number?
Call your number again.
Our 784 82 29.
Okay, my people. So if you try one and not get through, you can try the next one. Understand me? Same way. Yeah, my people. So, as you say, my people, everything.
Marvelous, man.
Marvelous and nice. You see?
Balcony upstairs.
Balcony upstairs, you can go sit back and relax and thing. And the place nice, the people. Trust me. See the room, see the place there. I'll show you the place.
Show you the place.
People, trust me.
Inside and all that. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Right.
Here's the people, see it? See it? At the room, there's the people, see it? And I should say, I saw the place stay nice. You see it?
Oh, I like it. I don't want to go. I like it. I don't want to go.
Yeah. See the people? Yeah, man, I have the balcony staircase. You can go up on the balcony You see? Up on the balcony. Thing right and thing nice, man, I tell the people, trust me. Thing set me people. You see? Yeah, man, anybody come into the place, come to Jamaica, you know, say, boy, yeah, they want some of it stay reasonable price. They want some of it stay reasonable price. They know, say, boy, they don't have to worry. They just come, call the number and get in touch. We're going to say, they're right in Portland. You see me? Yeah, man, right in Portland. So when you come to Portland, Port Antonio. See, I come right at the square, see the kitchen of the people. See? I don't know. It's a lot of better for come. See? We just want to start off and get the things right and proper that we can start. Fix up more proper. You see what I do with the people? But it's true, it don't stay away where we can say, boy, yeah, funds up the right way. That's why we have to say, boy, we don't stick up on the price for nobody. See, we're reasonable, price reasonable. See me? When they come, we can talk and we have discount whatsoever. So don't worry, we'll save people. Price reasonable and endless because we just are coming at the thing and we want the exposure. Yeah. We start small until we can develop the place because that's what we want to develop the place. See me? You know, we want to develop the place, man. You see what I did? So I hit this for people. Yeah, man. The view is nice and everything. Downstairs with the right and all. See me? I have a car park and thing too. See? Yeah, man, I have a car park too. You know, say, boy. Yeah, man. And nothing. See that car park, well grill up. You see? Yeah, man, padlock and everything. Drive in a car and, you see? Double car. See the people, see it? I do some work done now.
Yeah,
because you have a next bathroom done so stay, man. You have a next room here, man.
2 rooms here.
Wow.
So we could have sleep down here.
Yeah, you can fix the person and you stay downstairs.
Yeah, stay downstairs.
Okay. But you just get the people them upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
That's security. Security quarters.
Yeah, man.
I want that room to want to check out, you know. That's what I do. I want to check out. That's what I do.
Oh. Okay, you want to fix?
No, it can't come in the tonight if you want to tell her.
Okay. Probably have to test out and see. Yeah, man. That's that. Right now, I look forward for some people come in and make things start to work out because the place is quiet, you know. See, you don't have to worry yourself about that because yeah, the environment very, very nice, trust me. Yeah.
They are some alone, they are for quiet the community.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, it's a real decent people are Rasta. Double fast.
Yeah, man, car park, man. Yeah, right. Whatever people come in, whatever you adjust and put them, no? Yeah, simple. Yeah, paint out.
Yeah.
Yes, my people, this is the outside. Outside you look on. Yeah. This is the house. You see me? Yeah. Nice house and you see it. Gated, well fenced round. Yard well fenced round. Yard no loose. Fence right round to the back. You see? You see the people? Fence go right round to the back. Right round it fence round. You see me? So see the community house is the best size of it. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. shift to my brain. 99 miles from here, so if we go Kingston, my people, 99 miles. I'll have that something to right. Trust me. From here, so, and here, so name outside of Port Antonio. So outside of Port Antonio, I come 99 miles. Wow. Sunshine Beach. Sunshine Beach, my people. I see one of car park up, so I look and see, because I really know. You know, a big rain now going on with people. Portland with the same way, see me? Yeah, welcome to Shy Beach, Portland. No. And me and 7 people. It was all about come look for a person, and it happened to be that the person isn't there. Me I call him phone still my people, but now I get no answer. But the important thing that me want to do, me want me with that St. Margaret being our people. the important thing we want for just go and go block the community and block the front of the house where people can see. You understand me, people? Yeah, that was the most important part of it. But we don't want to. You see? Yeah. We have 60 miles left for people. So, happen to be that now, say, we do that, we get that. Yeah, we get it. And we are heading back in a town. And we are heading back in a town. So let's go and watch and enjoy the video with people, yeah? Come on, let's go and enjoy the video with people. People, beautiful Portland, beautiful place. We're not going around no corner and all. The place, the country, parish are beautiful, you know? Yeah, man. With the sea, you know? Become like Portland have the most sea. Trust me. Yeah, man. Portland. Whole heap of water. But St. Thomas have the sea too, you know? But that's a Portland and the most rainfall in the island, you see? Yeah, man. Followed by St. Thomas. Because we for the pint is for the situator, but that's why, you know? Up on the pinnacle out there, so. The pinnacle are way out in the out so them say Ken Jones, Eurojump. Out so them say start develop, you know. Cut down woodland, cut down tree in a woodland like you plant up. Because most time, most plant you plant, have them tree that we just cut them and have so much cut up board, you know. Beautiful Portland with people, Jamaica, beautiful. I miss a Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Hear me no star, hear me no soup. I miss a down a Portland, banana and breadfruit. Whole heap of banana and breadfruit, you see. When you come to Portland, you can't hungry. In a Jamaica, we plant food, you see. One heap of food, lad, we plant down here. We can't hungry, we have enough food. Food we have. One heap of mango pan tree just a grow. One heap of mango time now a come in. And me say one heap of food pan tree, we can't hungry. Jamaica. People remember Jamaica? Jaja know. A Portland is with there. Look how it's beautiful. Come banana tree and plantain tree. Wow. Breadfruit tree. Wow. It's a cocoa. Look on cocoa and dashing. Wow. People, they can't hungry, you see. Lord have mercy, we say they can't hungry, you see. Tell me, I tell them can't hungry. Tell me, I tell them can't hungry. Lord of God, we say they can't hungry, you see. Jesus Christ, Lord have mercy. Hear me style now, soup, hear me style. That change just our water. Yeah, you must come catch the water there, so. Park up them car and wash them car. Jaja. The landscape of Portland, beautiful, you see me? Yeah, man. I miss a skip, I miss a skip 1, skip 2, skip 3, 4. All of them a come and them a knock on my door. Through them a talk but them really don't sure. When them not show off, me really don't know. Skip 1, skip 2, skip 4. All of them come and knock on for me door. And you me no star, you me no soup, you me no starve, you me no slow. I me say baga bang, bling bang bling. Them the kind of thing me can sing them again. True them no know say me come back again. For me kind of lyrics that I tell you all of them. Catch it now, catch it again. Hey, catch me style cause you know say me. Me not go tell them at all. Me not go tell them at all. You me no star. Me not go tell them at all. Me not go tell them at all. What be every day? I won't be every day. What be every day? We say I won't be every day. Easy way easy in a what be. I mean say, one heap of people them no good. You me no stop. One heap of people them no good. I mean say, one heap of people them no good. Lord have mercy. One heap of people them no good. Because if you want something in your life you have to work for. And you still when you work some people better suffer. Lord have that thing say it really not happen. And them a thing yeah, you know them do for purpose. And me say, one heap of people them no good. You don't starve. One heap of people them no good. Lord have mercy. One heap of people them no good. Them no good. One heap of people them no good. Jesus Christ. And me say Testimonies 1. Say Testimony 2. Testimony 3. And me say Testimony 4. The whole of them come and them and knock on the door. I try to tell me, say me 50, what me not go school. When me look around, me see the whole of them. No say them a talk about them, not have no friend. One heap of people, them no go on. Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ, you come again. I'm a good shot. I'm a YouTuber now. Orange, berry orange, my people.